standing on the corner of First Avenue and 23rd Street. You can see food vending going on here. And on the move, clean hybrid bus going up First Avenue. Let's go on the right on the corner of 23rd and 1st. See the Chase Bank is over here, security there. Food, like I said. Trees over here. They actually have some trees here. Like, think about how small these probably was, and now they're big. Right? Yeah, these are New York City with the sheds. You know what you talk about? They're gonna slow down with the sheds. They have sheds all over. These buildings look like projects, but they are not projects. Look it up. So it's morning time still, and yeah, I'm running my errands, and I told you, you'll see what I see. I need to travel now, so I traveled. Standing, like I said, on the corner of 23rd Street. So that's East 23rd Street and First Avenue here in Manhattan, New York City, USA. And let's take a close look. America, using a cell phone. And yep. Literally see what I see, or see what I saw. That's another thing. I need to travel now, so I travel here. Bye bye bye. Tutanana. Adios. I needed to travel now, so I traveled.